Hello everyone. Let's learn about multiplication using the grid or the box method. Now, as the name suggests, we need to multiply the numbers by constructing a grid or a box. So, how do we do that? Let's take our first example where we are multiplying a two-digit number by a one-digit number. So, we have 23 times 5. So, how do we draw the grid? We have two digits in the first place and we have one digit in the second place. So here we have two digits and here we have one digit. So what is 2 times 1? 2. It means we need to make two boxes. So this is one box and this is my second box. Yeah. Now, how do we put numbers onto this grid? Let's look here. Okay. 23 can be written down as 20 plus 3, right? We can break this, and 5 can be written down as just 5. We put the first number here, 20, and we put the second number here, 3. This number 5 goes on the other side of your grid. So 5 comes here. Yeah. So 20 goes on top of the first box, 3 goes on top of the second box, and 5 goes on the side. You can write it on this side or this side, really doesn't matter. Okay. Now for this particular box, okay, which two numbers do we need to multiply? So for this box, we need to multiply 3 and 5, which is 15. For this box, which two numbers do we need to multiply? We will multiply 20, which is on top of it, and we multiply 5, which is on the side. So 2 times 5 is 10, and this 0 can come as it is. So we know that if we multiply 20 times 5, this 0 we can write as it is, and then what is left? 2 times 5, which is 10. Yeah. So once all the boxes are filled in the grid, we pick those numbers. So we have 100 and we have 15. We add these numbers up, which is 115, and this 115 is your answer. So this means that 23 times 5 is equal to 115. Easy? Yeah. Let's take another example where we increase our digits. Okay. So how many numbers do we have here? 2. How many numbers do we have here? 2. 2 times 2 is 4. It means we need 4 boxes. So let's draw our 4 boxes first. I'm drawing big boxes so that we have enough space to write the numbers. 2. And the third box will go here. And the fourth box will go here. Okay. Why can't we draw all the 4 boxes in the same line? Anybody? Any idea? We'll come to it. Okay. So let's look at this now. I'm going to just erase this part so that I can break down the numbers based upon their place value. Yeah. So 14 is 10 plus 4 and 35 is 30 plus 5. So we pick the first set which we are going to write on top. So we put 10 here and we put 4 here. We pick the second set which we are going to write on the side, 30 and 5. You see now why we cannot draw all the 4 boxes in the same line? Because we need to put one number in the horizontal manner and the second number in the vertical manner. So we need boxes like this. Okay. So let's multiply the number for this box. Okay. So we have 4 and we have 30. So 4 times 30 will be 120. For this box, 10 times 30 will be 300. For this box, We have 4 coming from the top and 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. And for this box, we have 10 and 5, which is 50. Now we have all the numbers available are in a grid, so we are going to add them up. So we add 300, 120, 50, and 20. So let's add them up. You get a 0 here, 9, and 4. So your answer for 14 times 35 is 490. Easy to learn, easy to build. Yeah, you really need to practice all of them to get hold of them. Let's do one more example. Okay. So how many boxes do we make? You can make a guess now. 3 times 2 means 6 boxes. So it means 3 on one side because we have 3 numbers. 1, 2, and 3, and 2 rows. You can also consider them as number of rows and columns. And the last one. Yeah. So how do we break 346? This will be 300 plus 40 plus 6. So we start dropping them. 300, 40, and 6. And on the other side, we have 10 plus 2, which is going to be 10 here and 2 here. Okay, let's start multiplying them. This box, 6 times 10, 60. This box, 40 times 10, 400. This box, 300 times 10, which is 3000. This box, 6 times 2, 12. This box, 40 times 2, 80. This box, 300 times 2, 600. Now we have all our 6 values where we are going to add them up. So 3000, 400, 60, 600, 80, 12. You can arrange them in any order you wish to. So let's add them up. We have 2 here, 8 and 6, 14 and 1, 15. 15, 1 is the carryover, 6 and 4, 10 and 1, 11. Again 1 carryover and 4. So your answer for 346 times 12 is 4152. Now using the same method, you can build the grid for any combination. It can be 3 by 3 digit, 4 by 4 digit, 5 by 4 digit, or any other combination. I hope this video really helps you to start learning or building your multiplication. Have fun, keep watching, keep practicing. Until then, bye-bye.